Welcome to your second to last video in the Feast series. Today we're going to talk about some strategies to help you in adopting this style of eating so that you can enjoy lifelong protection. We've briefly gone over some strategies for surviving the weekend, and I just wanted to expand upon those ideas to help you make a plan for how you can make plant-based eating work in your life. So first, let's start with what works for me. I have decided that I will never eat animal products or dairy again. After learning everything I've learned and transitioned to eating this way, they aren't even tempting to me anymore, which sounds shocking. I wouldn't have believed you if you would have said that to me when I first started this process. But it is true. My body has definitely shifted to preferring foods that make me feel good. That being said, I still enjoy treats, and I need to have moderation in my life for this to be successful. So I focus on having 80% of what I eat be plants and whole food plants, and then 20% of what I eat is vegan treats or going out to yummy vegan restaurants or finding the vegan options at other restaurants that I go to. And this plan works really well for me. And it just kind of helps me stick to that overall goal of having plants be most of what I eat. But that doesn't work for everybody. Some people do have foods that they really want to be able to have occasionally. And so if you are one of those people, or if you are just starting out, another great option is to look at your calendar for the year and pick the holidays, vacations, birthday celebrations, where you just say, I'm just going to eat whatever I want this day because that will make me happy. And then if you do eat that way, you're not beating yourself up because it was part of your plan. It's something you already anticipated to work for you. So you specify the holidays or dates that you would like to be able to just not worry about what you're eating and just focus on just whatever sounds fun in the moment. That works for a lot of people as well. And then the final way is, we talked about this, is Penn Jillette's way, where you, every 2 weeks, you just eat whatever you want on a certain day. And again, as you continue eating this way, you will find that your body adapts to wanting and preferring plant-based foods. So on the days that you've chosen to eat whatever you want, you'll find that you probably don't feel very good. And initially that might be worth it to you. And then as time goes on, if you're like me, you'll just find that it's not anymore, and you'll find variations that do work for you. But these are some ideas to kind of get you brainstorming about how to make this lifestyle work for your life. So spend some time today thinking about how you could adjust to this lifestyle and what kind of an eating routine you'd like to adopt so that you can have success and have the protection that comes from eating a plant-based diet, and also sometimes enjoying those foods that you really are not ready to give up yet.